same as the size of 48 states in the US. The Amazon rainforest, covering much of the northwestern Brazil and extending into Colombia, Peru, and other South American countries, is the world's largest tropical rainforest. Famed for its biodiversity. This has world's most biodiverse ecosystem. It includes 427 mammal species, more than 370 types of the reptiles, 2,400 species of freshwater fish, over 1,300 species of birds, 400 species of amphibians, and a lot more undescribed yet. Although much explored, the jungle still holds its secrets and some wonders. Expanded over 526 million hectares of the primary forest, inside this jungle, there are 4,000 tree species with a total of 390 billion individual trees. These trees are so dense that they have transformed into 4 layers of the jungle. The topmost emergent, canopy, understory, and the forest floor. Among these, most of the trees reach heights of 80 to 100 feet, form massive networks of the branches that make up the canopy layer. This is home of beautiful singing birds. The long-billed toucan, fantastic fiery topaz, paradise tanager, blue and yellow macaw, and many others glorify Amazon's canopy with music and color. Above it, there is an emergent layer, which is formed by a few trees that grow even taller and poke above the canopy. Birds, bats, and butterflies, among other small flying and gliding species, are adept at moving from tree to tree under windy conditions. Below the main tree canopy, there is another layer, even darker and colder, named as understory. Most popular type of the species found in this layer is the assassin bug. Other common animals are jaguars, lizards, bats, monkeys, frogs, and a lot of snakes. This is much darker and colder because the canopy layer blocks most of the sunlight. Plants growing there often have extravagant, very fragrant flowers in order to attract pollinators even in absence of plenty of light. The bottom layer of the Amazon rainforest is the forest floor. This layer holds the key to Amazon ecosystem. It is where decomposition takes place in presence of mushroom and fungi. Some of these mushrooms glow during night. Countless centipedes, beetles, cockroaches, earthworms, slugs, and even deadly scorpions make it a scary surface to walk. Among all layers, canopy is the most active and the richest, as it is home to much pretty and lovely birds like macaws and toucans, monkeys, spiders, sloth, and hundreds of insects. This layer pattern is the beauty of Amazon rainforest only, which none of the other forest has. Number 2 mystery of the Amazon rainforest is the 2,000-year-old geoglyphs. Although much of the area of the forest is dark and bushy, but there is a secret place that have huge geometric earthworks dating back over 2,000 years, from squares and circles that span as far as a city block. Some trenches are 12 feet wide and 13 feet deep. Archaeological study reveals some 1,000 years ago there were 6 to 10 million people living in Amazonia who used to cultivate the forest and laid the foundation of today's dense forest. Maybe those people or the aliens who used to come down in forest at that time have left their marks. The lost tribe of Amazon is the 3rd most mysterious creature this magnificent forest enfolds. In July 2018, Brazilian authorities managed to take a picture of a man known as the indigenous man in the hole, who is the sole survivor of a tribe whose all other members were either died due to the diseases brought by the visitors or killed by the foreigners in 1995. There are 400 tribes living in Amazon who have adopted the life by time to time as they get familiar with, but this is the only tribe that live completely isolated. Nowadays, the giant animals can only be seen in animated films like Jurassic Parks, as they have gone extinct. What we can see is their fossils only. But there is a monster still alive in Amazon rainforest. This is one-eyed, 7-foot tall beast covered in reddish fur, with the stench so strong it can make hunters dizzy and disorientated. Among tribe of Amazon, it is known as Mipingri. This is the scariest mystery yet to be uncovered. Number 5 is the glass frog. As we know, Amazon has 400 species of amphibians, much of them discovered between 1999 to 2009. This time period is known as a time of exploration, when on average there was a new species discovered every 3 days in the Amazon rainforest. At the time, scientists discovered the frog with the transcolored skin. Helinobacterium yaku is the world's first glass frog reported to be found in Amazon rainforest. This 0.78 inches long teeny frog is so transparent that its liver, heart, and intestine can be seen with the naked eye. Seeing closely, its heartbeat can be observed. This beauty is characteristic of this mighty forest only. Finally, none other than Amazon can be home to the world's largest anaconda, known as the green anaconda. This is 30 feet long, weighing 500 pounds, living giant that sleeps in the swamps and the streams of the Amazon rainforest. Its eyes and nasal openings are on top of its head, allowing it to lay for a long time in water in wait for prey while remaining completely submerged. This beast of Amazon rainforest can engulf the whole jaguar at once. Jaguar is the largest cat species in the American continent and an apex predator in the Amazon. Jaguars swim confidently and bite ruthlessly with powerful jaws. Disguised amongst rainforest vegetation, these big cats hunt even larger prey like deer, monkeys, and tortoises. But once they get trapped by the green anaconda, they can't find a way to escape at any cost. The food hunting capabilities of the green anaconda are unmatched with any other snake on earth. These are only a minute fraction of the uncountable wonders lying in Amazon. Much is yet to be explained. River dolphin, black-spotted monkey, poison dart frog, and the secrets of the world's second largest Amazon river. We will explore in next episodes. Keep watching 10 Minute Science.